this is not the story of one heroic man. It took 10 years, many team members, and above all, we want to showcase the contribution of the Egyptian team members, whose names have very often not been recorded or written out of the history books. And so we really want to show their contribution, and the only way we can do it, and what you will see in the exhibition, we see them through the photographs, about 50 local workmen and dozens of children. And their voices are kind of not recorded. We don't have names for them, but they become visible through these images. What we see here is a series of images of an Egyptian boy who was wearing one of the necklaces of Tutankhamun. But I think he was, he was kind of only used as a mannequin. But if you look at his face and his very tense expression, I think you can see that conveys a much more complex human reaction. At least what I feel is like he basically feels the weight of this necklace, both the physical weight of this very heavy necklace, but also the weight of the past and the history of it on his shoulders. And I think it's also quite touching to think about the aspect that this boy was probably the same age as Tutankhamun when he died.